Hi, welcome to SS Informatica Power Center. Today's topic is the IICS flat file connection. What is IICS? IICS is nothing but is an Informatica Intelligent Cloud Service. It's a cloud-based integration platform offered by Informatica. Informatica is a leading company in data integration and management solutions. IICS allows organizations to connect disparate systems and applications data sources, enables seamless data integration, synchronization, and management across cloud and on-premise environments. Cloud and both on-premise environments. IICS users can design, execute, monitor data integration process such as extract, transform, and load tasks in a visual and intuitive manner. It provides a wide range of pre-built connectors for cloud applications, popular cloud applications and database, as well as supports various data formats and protocols. This is all about IICS introduction. Let's go to create IICS online account. How to create account? Here by clicking this Informatica Cloud Data Integration HTML trial account, type it. You will get like this. Start a free account, name, first name, last name, job title, whatever you can give, name, email, your personal email you can give, roles, any developer you can give, phone number, any organization you can give, no problem, date and all. Here default AWS North America, you can click and start your free trial. It sends a email, you will automatically get a link to your email. That through that link you can activate this account by changing your password and all. Once it was activated, you will get like this. Organization license, XML setup, metering setup, user group roles, runtime environment connections and add-on connection schedule and all. Here go to runtime environment. In runtime environment, first of all we have to, if we want to work with an administrator IICS, secure agent is required. Secure agent is the mediator between our database. See our database, and this is our database, and this is the cloud platform. It's just a cloud platform. Informatica IICS is just a cloud platform. It doesn't have any computing skills. So to give some computing skills, we need some system. So this system, right, is database and all. So to make the system to work on computing skills, you need secure agent. Secure agent gives computing skills and all. It enables, it connects to database and all. So it is a mediator between cloud platform and database. So only application in IICS we have to download is secure agent is enough. But in Power Center, what we have, we need to download all those things like Power Repository Manager, designer, all those things. Repository Manager, designer, monitor, workflow monitor, all those workflow manager, workflow monitor, all the applications no need to download, and client server also download. In IICS no need to download all those things, just download secure agent, and by secure agent need to log in with your email ID and token, generate install token. Means it will, if you click on this, you will get code like this. You can copy and paste inside the, here I already logged in, that's why it's not showing. So here it will show one dialog box. You can paste and log in through your email ID and token. That's it. Once it was done, and it will work like this, it should be work like this. And here that 5 fields in environment, these 5 fields should work in running state, up and running state. Then only your tasks and all, everything will be mapping and everything will work. So here what happened, in administrator you can give all those. In integrator, data integration is the platform. Here we can create mapping sessions and all. Integration is data integration. Sorry, I already opened here. Yeah, okay, let's see. Like this it will open. Yeah, it will open like this only. Here new home, explore, bundle, my jobs and all. And in new job, before that we have to create a like this. In this way you will get new home explore bundles, my jobs exports, imports and exports. My jobs means whatever the tasks you are running, those all tasks you can see here. Bundle explore means here the folders, what are the folders you have in Informatica Power Center. You have folders, right? In here also in folders, default folder here I created. In this already some few mappings are there. I already created few mappings. And home, this is the home, like this. Informatica cloud and desktop both up and running in stage. Okay, if you want to create new mapping like this here, before creating mapping you need to give some flat file connection. Our today's motto is create flat file connection. How to create flat file connection? Flat file connection, go to connectors. Here already given, I have few connections. You can give new connection here. Flat file, you can type it, flat file src. Today March month, March. You can give like this flat file. Here you have to select. Description you can give, no problem. Runtime environment, where we are going to run this all mappings and all on this system. Browse, directory you have to give. So browse, if you click on browse, it may take lot of times, lot of things happen. So you can directly go to this, where Informatica secure agent, where you installed in that secure agent. Click on the secure agent, applications, data integration, data, src files. I inserted some files. Src initially it will be not there. I inserted this folder entirely from our power center. Informatica Power Center, we did worked on power files, right? Those files I copied here. So this is the path, these are the files, this is the path. Copy and go to here. See, if you browse, it will show error like this. So instead of browsing, better to copy paste in this way and test connection. So code page need to give or Windows, so need to give test connection. Loading. See, test for the connection was established. In this way you can save it. Already given flat file connection, that's why I am not saving. So go to integration part. Here in new, click on new. It will open like this: tasks, maps, maplets, task plus components, tasks, maplet. So click on mapping, here mapping, and click on create. Creates very easy. One default space will come. The default space while creating the if you want to create mapping, then one default space will come. We will get this entire space we will call as canvas. It is one of the Informatica certification question. What is the default space of the mapping? We call canvas. So source target, it will automatically we will get. See, but Informatica PC we have to drag source target and all. Here is easy to use. Just we have to click on, sorry, before that mapping, sorry, okay, click on source, click on source. So you can click here, give connection. What is the connection? Flat file src march is my preference flat file connection, and select. You will get tables. Any table, for suppose customers ffTXT table I want to work. Customers ffTXT, what is this? Delimiter and all. need to change delimiter. What is the delimiter? Space is the delimiter. So go to here, formatting options, not tab, semicolon, colon. Yeah, tab is the delimiter, right? Import from row 1 first to data row. That's it. Text qualifier none, give none. Okay, in this way you can input the source. Again, if you want to see the canvas, you click on here, click on target. Source name you can here, source name you can change the name. What is this? Customers, right? Customers underscore SRC 16 today. So like that you can give, you can name it here. If you change the name, there, it will automatically change. Now click on target, click on target here, general incoming fields, target incoming fields, target fields, field mapping. In target, again our target is, if you want to create a flat file, again go to flat file connection. If you want to create a connection on Oracle, you can go to Oracle TGT schema. So here I want to create one more file only. So now select, if you have file structure, you can drag that file, empty file structure, or else you didn't have any file structure. So if you want to load the data into required any file name as customers, it will create automatically underscore tgt 16 file name. It will generate static file name. Okay, file input, it will generate automatically this file name. That's it. Save. Mapping was valid or not, let's see. Yeah, mapping successfully validated. And now you can, in Informatica Power Center, what will we do, like we will generate workflow session, and later start the workflow in three steps we have to follow. Here in IICS, no need to do all those things, it will automatically internally it will takes place, and simply you can run here in mapping area. From mapping area you can directly execute the let's change that mapping name. Click on this, yeah, mapping name customers, m underscore customers, m underscore customers tgt 16 date today, that's why. Save, run, again run. Let's see, our target file name is customers tgt 16. Initially customers tgt 16, account tgt 16 is there, but customers tgt 16 is not there. Now let's run the check the job. No, I did not run. Yeah, run it. Sorted customers view on the jobs. The DTM process failed to start due to the following error. Whenever we got this error, I simply restart the, yeah, after restarting, After restarting the cloud service secure agent again, it works. And see customers, this is our flow. Go to jobs, rows processed, success, 322 rows processed. So let's check customer TGT16 is there or not. See customer 16 TGT 16 notepad inserted. Here double quotations inside quotations, we got that right. So here something happened in field source fields, source data format. Okay, single, no, okay, it's cool. Target fields, target formatting options. Here formatting options, double quotations here given. So here